Short, you must understand your guy. He come here to with us here. So when we here, we ask him, we forgot his throat. You understand? And his paid. So as we go, me I give him plain. I tell him straight. He take the bucket, throw it, cut it on top. Take slowly, you're gonna finish. Take the frame of the door, cut it, make a spade. Slowly, you're gonna fit. You're gonna take the stuff. It's gonna be done. Than to sit down here wait for your boss to come here and you're not doing something here. It's better you can go home, my man. If you wanna make your children to eat, not sleep hungry, take something, make it slowly here. But sure, you're gonna get at least where you are. Maybe you're gonna finish. But if you come this side, my man, please try to help this guy. Man. Today I think it's gonna sweat, but it's start to get cold here. You see the weather. It's changing. You see? To make a kids, and they need to make a plan to eat. When many do anything in front of you, someone tell you to do. You have a plan for it, make a plan and work. But the girls just eat our money. They don't know how we work hard. Look, this is how to make money. And then you keeping us, baby, give me 10 rand, give me 100 rand, give me 600. Go make the hair. See how the way men we work. As we are busy destroying the house. We don't have dealing for spade or speak, as we are dealing here of Amile only. See, brother, only Amile, just destroying, destroying, and we take old shoes. We're gonna put in new shoes. We are busy taking old shoes out. We're gonna put a new one.